Viewers, as a member of parliament sworn to the Constitution of India, the 51-year-old adolescent is accountable to parliament. The 51-year-old adolescent is answerable to people of this country. Turns out, the man who lives his entire life on Twitter, who has all the time in the world for Twitter politics over issues of national security, and believes in holding parallel meetings and has signed a deal with Xi Jinping under his mother's instructions, did not attend a single sitting of the very crucial Parliamentary Standing Committee on Defence. It's his privilege that he's on it, but his contempt for Parliament shows in instances like this. Let's debate.
खून की दलाली कमेंट पोस्ट इंडियाज सर्जिकल स्ट्राइक्स.
जम्मू कश्मीर में जिन्होंने अपना खून दिया है, जिन्होंने हिंदुस्तान के लिए सर्जिकल स्ट्राइक किया है, उनके खून के पीछे आप छुपे हुए हो, उनकी आप दलाली कर रहे हो.
His चौकीदार चोर है lie in the run-up to the 2019 elections.
चौकीदार चोर है नारा है, चौकीदार चोर है सच्चाई है और चौकीदार चोर है रियलिटी.
And his surrender narrative during the LAC face-off.
प्रधानमंत्री जी, आपको सच बोलना ही पड़ेगा. अगर आप कहेंगे कि जमीन नहीं गई और सचमुच में जमीन गई है तो चाइना का फायदा होगा.
Would give one an impression that Congress MP Rahul Gandhi is deeply invested on issues related to defence and national security. But who are we kidding? Taking to social media, BJP President JP Nadda has said that Rahul Gandhi belongs to that glorious dynasty where as far as defence is concerned, committees don't matter but commissions do. Congress has many deserving members who understand parliamentary matters, but one dynasty will never let such leaders grow. Really sad. A loaded attack after it revealed that the dynast hasn't attended a single sitting of the Parliamentary Standing Committee on Defence in the current Lok Sabha. The committee has had 11 sittings so far, and the last one was on the 12th of March. Rahul Gandhi gave it a miss. In the month of February, there were 5 meetings. The Wayanad MP was missing in each one of them. Between September 2019 to December 2019, there were 5 meetings of the defence panel, and as usual, Mr. Gandhi was a no-show. In all its sittings, the Parliamentary Committee discussed issues related to procurement policy, defence research and development, defence public sector undertakings, demands for grants, welfare for ex-servicemen and other issues. Clearly, the serial bunker who winks and snoozes in Parliament and plays politics over issues of national security has a lot to answer for his remarkable 0% attendance record. Let's debate.
So he's a willful defaulter, Manasvi. Curious, why would he be a willful defaulter when you are a member of the Standing Committee on Defence and now you're going around lecturing the whole world? You're opening the debate with Gaurav Bhatia. You don't attend a single meeting. What? I mean, I know that you are not speaking on his behalf, but what could he be possibly doing that made him bunk every single meeting of the Standing Committee of Defence?
No, the most interesting part as of now is, so BJP, whenever they get an opportunity, they bring back the old books of Rahul Gandhi, the Congress, and then say that Rahul Gandhi nahi aaya, Nehru ne ye kiya, Kamala Nehru ne wo kiya. So the obsession of Rahul Gandhi and Congress party is never ending.
No, it's only in the context of
Instead
China.
of answering tough questions,
it's only in the context of China where no. It's only in the context of China.
The BJP never answered him.
Gaurav Bhatia, why didn't you ask him earlier? He says.
No, I would like to respond to Manasvi, but first of all, I think that Rahul Gandhi today is a blot on Indian democracy, Arnab. And why do I say that? As JP Nadda ji raised this issue, that 11 meetings and this clown prince could not even find the time to even attend one. And this is no ordinary committee, Arnab. This is a very important committee, Standing Committee of Defence. Manasvi, let me say this one thing as a citizen. Do you know, for the one seat that he occupies in the parliament, there are millions of Indians who aspire to be there. who will sacrifice everything that they have to serve the people of the country.
And you
just
had
because he belongs
you had
to
nominated
the
Pragya Thakur
Antonio
for this.
Mino dynasty, he feels it is his birthright to be there. He lost his election from Amethi. Do you know why, Manasvi? Because he didn't serve the people from the family dynasty. He's gone to Wayanad now.
Gaurav ji, yes.
So I ask, why is it that
Gaurav
he wins
ji,
in the parliament, which
Gaurav
is
ji,
temple of democracy?
Yeah,
Why does he get up to, hug the prime minister, which is not done?
Yeah.
It is against the conventions of the parliament. Why is it that he doesn't even know the number of seats that exist in the Lok Sabha? He said there are 546. Why is it that he doesn't even care to attend these meetings? His attendance is a dismal low at 40% in the parliament. In the last parliament, he asked 0 questions. So do you think he deserves to be there? And you may be a sycophant and try to praise him or justify his misdeed. But I will say a better Indian who's better suited, who's more committed to serve the people of the country should occupy his seat.
Without a doubt, you know,
Like Pragya Thakur? Like Pragya Thakur?
Yes,
Where did
yes,
Pragya Thakur come in
absolutely.
this?
Any day, any
Out of
time.
31 members,
Okay,
you
and I
only
know
point out why
something
you
like
want to
defend
defend
Senegal.
him. Left has
To
become
become an
spineless
MP.
in today's politics. Left's compulsion, Arnab, they have to come out to defend this 50-year-old immature child, I would say.
You
who's
are
Rahul
talking
Gandhi?
rubbish.
Any Indian, a
Because
person like
you are
Manasi
talking like a
would
child.
do far better for the country than this dynasty person. He's failed in every sphere. I can give you the kind of statements he has made. Poverty is a
Pragya
state of
Thakur.
mind. He says, poverty is a state of mind. These are the kind of statements he
Gaurav
makes.
ji,
He
out
has
of the
no
31 members,
intelligent quotient
the
to even
maximum
understand the basic issues.
any scheduled meeting had were 20 members. But you are only concerned
No.
with Rahul Gandhi. Your
I am-
obsession
I
on
am
Rahul
for a
Gandhi is
reason.
never ending.
He's the
You know the
ex-president
record
of
of
the
attendance of
Manasi.
Rahul Gandhi. You
Manasi,
know his
all the
statements,
members, let
where
me
he
tell
goes,
you,
why he
I've
goes.
attended
But
meetings.
when he asks you
Please.
some simple questions, you are not
Okay, how
able to
many
answer, sir.
members are there?
The first
If you've done
meeting,
your
only
homework,
20
how many
members
members are
attended.
there in the
Out
defense
of
committee?
21
Tell me.
Lok Sabha members, 10
I'm
Rajya
asking
Sabha
you,
members,
I'm
the total
asking
of
you a
31
question.
tally,
How many
only
members
20
are there in
attended.
the defense
Sir, why
standing
do
Okay,
you
committee?
question everyone? Sir,
the
you
question
are
may I
very
set the
bad.
context. Manasvi, listen.
Manasvi, you've
Manasvi,
got to
listen.
hear also.
Manasvi,
My
listen.
young
Manasvi,
friend,
if you,
you have to hear.
Manasvi,
Stop
a minute. Gaurav, 1 minute. Gaurav, 1 minute. Gaurav, 1 minute. Gaurav, 1 minute.
Defensible.
Gaurav, 1 minute. Gaurav, 1 minute. 1 minute. The issue is not about.
Sir,
You see,
why Rahul Gandhi, Rahul
Manasvi,
Naam
now
jab
when I
was
made a
ekta
request
mein
and you
aapka-
heard me, you should stop. No, thank you. The issue is not about whether you can have a quorum and you can have a meeting in Rahul's absence. Of course you can. What would the 51-year-old contribute anyway? The question is not that. The question is, and Abhijit can come in on this, the question is of legitimacy. Do you have, if today Abhijit was an MP and a member of the Defence Committee and he bunked all the meetings, I would ask Abhijit that, Abhijit, if you are not attending a single meeting, you don't have any legitimacy to speak on national security issues. Your basic duty to examine bills pertaining to Ministry of Defence and to consider national basic long-term policy documents of defence. It is the greatest privilege that you can have. It's a great privilege to be able to contribute in some capacity, and not attending a single meeting is an insult to the oath that Rahul Gandhi took as a member of parliament. It's an insult. Vacate the seat.
There are many people
It's an
who did
insult.
that.
Arnab,
Don't try
the Defence
to
Standing
hide the
Committee
truth that
is,
Manas
first of all,
Singh
defence is a highly technical
pointed
subject,
out.
right? So to think that you can master defence without attending the committees also act as learning mechanisms.
Yeah.
Remember, you get into the nitty-gritty and they teach you slowly.
I've
This is
seen
a
what your
person
committees say.
who thinks
They are
he
teaching
is a
you
master of
street
it all,
warfare.
despite his very clearly poor marks in developmental economics or whatever he did.
I don't
And he
think so.
thinks he can get into every subject and be a master of it based on who he depends on. Now, normally this would be fine if you depended on first-class people and you had a fine-tuned sense of who is a good guy, who's not a good guy, whose advice can you take, whose advice can you not take. And yet all we have, going by his chosen profession, politics. When you come down from running a government to 44 seats and then no better than 52 seats, how is anybody meant to take seriously your ability to pick the cream of the crop of the kind of minds you have? He keeps choosing third-rate talent, third-rate intellect, third-rate whatever. The only criteria for selection to his inner coterie is virtue signaling and nonsense blabbering, and nothing else. And it's basically spawned a whole breed of people out there, third-raters, nonsense talkers, and this despite the fact that the Congress has a
Manasvi is
huge
debating with
pool
him.
of
The
talent
biggest
and
third-rater
intellect.
is you.
He's
Everyone's
only
on.
You are the biggest.
his only unmitigated
If he's
ability
not so
to
important,
choose
why do every
is
day
that
we
of
wake up
third
and
raters and
target Rahul
nothing
Gandhi?
else.
No, the issue is that you went on and said that
Ayerji,
how is China
Ayerji, why
killed
do
our
every-
unarmed
why
soldiers?
do every
No,
BJP
it
member
is
wakes up and
really
only targets Rahul
bizarre
Gandhi?
that you are you see, you have willfully missed all meetings of the defense committee. He is an elected representative. Don't talk about targeting
How
him.
many others
He
have
is
missed
he
them?
is a
Call
person
the
who
names.
became president of a party,
Give us
could
the
not
thought.
perform, flopped, left, and now his mother is trying her best to bring him
And
back.
he left when he lost.
No.
He took the responsibility, he left.
And why-
respond to that.
no, why is his mother trying to bring him back?
He took the responsibility.
And why is his mother trying to bring him back?
It's a democracy.
Anyway, leave his mother's obsession to bring him back aside. My question is not that. And you debate with Gaurav. You see, I am only on a limited point. Does this 51-year-old care about national security? He, in November 2016, after
he
doing
does.
nothing to deliver
But you
on
know
OROP
that your
in the UPA
parliament is
years,
treated like
he
trash
paradropped into
by the
Jantar
governing
Mantar to
force.
lead a protest march on OROP. He promised to dilute the Armed Forces Special Powers Act in Jammu and Kashmir, anti-army. He ran down the army for the surgical strikes. And he instead said, and Manasvi, don't look so distraught, he instead spoke about Khoon ki dalali. And you know something, Abhijit, Gaurav? He was asked once, I think he went to
Why
a college,
not?
he was
He's got
asked,
the right
can
to
you
speak."
tell me something about the National Cadet Corps? You know what he said,
Yes,
Gaurav?
I will-
He said,
yes, sir.
he said, I don't know anything about the NCC.
is.
I don't know anything about the NCC. You don't know anything about NCC. What do you know anything about? He was on the phone when the Pulwama martyrs
So
were
what?
being brought in. You think we forget?
What do you know about the Boy Scouts?
The man is not a failure. The man is insensitive to the defense and the defense of the country and the defense forces. That's what I've proven. So talk about Rahul Bunks.
Arnab, can I come
Gaurav
in?
is talking, making a point. Gaurav.
Not the defense
Yes.
forces.
Arnab, I know these are harsh words, but
Speak
it
of-
pains when we see that he is not doing his job as a member of parliament seriously with conviction. And I will only say this, that if you remove the Gandhi surname, nobody will even recruit him as a peon, as Ram Jethmalani ji once said. So, Manasvi, you said, why do we get in Rahul Gandhi? I will tell you. First of all, stop worshipping Rahul Gandhi in the Congress and you are defending him. He's the ex-president of the Congress party.
Sir, I worship you,
all
sir.
know his
I worship you. I
rigged
worship this
run
nation,
plan.
sir. I don't need to worship anyone.
please,
But my only question
Manasvi,
is,
this
your
is not that.
IT
You want to go
cell is
first?
hellbound on
You
Rahul
are
Gandhi.
You are a young
Sir,
panelist.
the
I
president wakes up
respect
and
you.
tweets
If
about
you
Rahul
want to
Gandhi.
go first,
If
you
he's
go first.
such
Okay,
a-
I'm quiet. I'm listening to you. Give me one
Sir,
reason why he should not be questioned as a member
no.
of parliament. He's not
Bhatia ji, you
attending
speak
meetings.
first, I'll
Give me
speak
a-
after you. You
I
speak
will listen
first, I'll
to you.
speak after you.
I don't want to be heckled. It's a very impolite way of debating. It shows that you are deficient and you are not prepared today, but it's okay. You go first. Please. I think we need to respect each other. Someday I would love to see you in the parliament rather than Rahul Gandhi, who doesn't even love the place or the respect that the institution is bestowing upon him. But you go ahead first. Tell me one reason why we shouldn't be questioning him.
No, Bhatia ji, you complete. I'll speak after you. You complete. There was a technical
thank
error.
you.
I never intended
Thank
to speak
you.
over you. You complete. I'll speak after you, please.
Thank you, Manasvi. Manasvi, when I say this, I mean it, and I'm reiterating, there are millions of Indians, youngsters, who want to one day enter the parliament and serve the people of the country. Rahul Gandhi is occupying this place and he doesn't deserve to be there, and I will give you a reason. Do you know this parliamentary standing committee did a field visit to Arunachal Pradesh? And I think, just the fact that if Rahul Gandhi would have gone there, he would have come to know,
Pragya.
what is the kind
But
of
you
difficulties
think of
the
from
soldiers face, how we can improve the ammunition, their, way of serving there. But but he decided not to go. So we are entitled to question. And in the Congress regime, let me tell you, soldiers were looking for bulletproof jackets. And Rahul Gandhi and Sonia Gandhi were busy buying VVIP choppers, taking commission. And that is why, as a youngster, it's my taxpayers' money, and I have a problem with that.
Now, one other point which we need to talk about accountability, Abhijit. We analyzed this, and the figures that we got were startling, really startling. You know, the average state average Kerala attendance in Parliament is about 90%. The national average is about 84%. Rahul Gandhi is at somewhere around 50%. He doesn't even care for Wayanad. He goes away on some meditational visit.
He does. The people of Wayanad voted
But
for
why
him.
does this
He
surprise
doesn't even
us?
attend Parliament.
Rahul Gandhi.
Why does this surprise us? Has he even learned Malayalam?
This debate is
I really want to see how much Malayalam he can speak. Tell me something, how is he meant to look after his constituency when he doesn't even speak the local language?
You are
Has anyone
really
conducted an interview of him in Malayalam?
The BJP president and various BJP Karyakartas tweet about Rahul Gandhi. The Congress may not have tweeted so much on Rahul Gandhi. The BJP IT have into 100 times would have spoken
No.
about Rahul Gandhi.
Can Rahul Gandhi speak Malayalam? This is what I want to know. How does a person care about their constituency when they can't speak Malayalam?
No, fact is that there is an attention issue, there's a capacity issue, there's an intellectual depth issue, there's a temperament issue, and it applies to both him and his sister. My numbers are on the screen, viewers. This man has asked 0 questions as a member of parliament for Amethi. He has failed as a member of parliament of Amethi in the 16th Lok Sabha, asked 0 questions, right? He has had a no-show in his adopted village in Amethi's Jagdishpur. He has a no-show since December 2014. How can he handle any responsibility? He has not even attended his own party meetings. There is a real serious issue out here of entitlement. And what is wrong if we ask the question of entitlement? I'd say give way. And you know, many people even in Latyans are now beginning to say that the Vadras have to move on. The Vadras are not a liability for the Congress alone. The Vadras are a liability in Indian political life. The Vadras must be shown the door.
They're the biggest liability for the BJP.
By the voters of this nation.
What are you showing, Gaurav?
Liability for the BJP.
What are you showing,
You
Gaurav?
know how serious it is, his commitment to the nation, Arnab, after the Mumbai terrorist
In a
attack.
democracy,
he
we
was
don't have any
partying-
right to
he
say
was
that he's
partying
right,
till
he's
5
wrong.
a.m. in the morning.
In a democracy, the people
Just after
choose
the
their
Mumbai
leaders.
attacks.
And we
Imagine.
don't have any right to speak about anyone.
Any Indian
Till
would
the
do
time
that.
people are voting for
Manasvi wouldn't
someone,
do.
he's coming
Sunil Chopra would
as
not
a
do.
MP, as a
Look
MLA.
at this. Rahul Gandhi, after the Mumbai terrorist attack, was partying till 5 a.m. in the morning. This is Rahul
That
Gandhi.
was just horrible.
He doesn't even feel for the country.
Yeah, he did that.
I'm ashamed of it.
It's just incredible.
I'm sure Manasvi wouldn't do it. Sunil Chopra wouldn't do it.
Why
You
are
wouldn't do
you
it.
thinking only of Rahul
Abhijit
Gandhi?
wouldn't do it. Why
There must
would Rahul Gandhi
be
do it?
thousands of young Indians of the same class.
Sunil Chopra ji,
doing the
Gaurav
same
ji,
thing.
Gaurav ji, on a
Bhagwan
friendly
mein-
note, I want to ask you, Gaurav ji, I have huge respect for you. On a daily average, how many times do you speak Rahul Gandhi or Congress name in a day?
Less than the number of times I take India's name.
Rahul Gandhi ka
Less
naam
than the
leते हो
time
तुम,
I
sir.
say I'm proud of the soldiers. I promise. Less than the number of times
In
I say I'm
today's
proud
debate,
of my soldiers.
Gaurav ji, in today's debate, how many times did you speak Bharat Mata ki jai,
Bharat Mata ki
India?
jai.
आपने राहुल
I
गांधी
always say that,
किया,
Bharat
sir.
ji. I love my country. You know,
Sir,
a day when
बोलो
my
भारत
country
माता
needs
की
me,
जय.
I
आपको
will
राहुल
give my
गांधी का
life.
जय
I'm not
जयकारा
a
ज्यादा
soldier.
करना है
I'm
और
not a
भारत माता
soldier,
की जय
but
आप
I'm a
पिछली डिबेट
BJP
में भी नहीं मिले
worker.
मुझे, सर.
And I promise you, Manasvi, I promise you, if there is a terrorist attack, I will not be
Sir, but
partying after
as a
that. I
BJP
promise
worker,
you.
sir,
I
Rahul
promise
नाम
you.
जपना है.
As a BJP
Sir,
worker,
BJP worker का
this is
काम
what
सिर्फ राहुल
I've been
नाम
taught.
जपना है.
I've learned it from Narendra Modi ji. I've learned
Sir,
it from
let's
JP
talk.
Nadda ji.
What is the
You know,
COVID
we as
crisis, sir?
soldiers
Sir,
cannot-
when are we
we
going to
not
talk on
soldiers,
the issues of
but
this
we are
nation, sir?
party soldiers
When are
and
we
we
not
can
going
give
to
our
talk
lives
about
for
people,
the country.
person
I
and
promise you.
citizens?
What are your people doing about him?
Sir, you are
And
Indian
about
soldiers, sir.
temples.
Sunil
Everyone
Chopra,
is
you
Indian
horrified
soldier,
me
not
today
party
when you
soldier,
said,
sir.
and he
आपकी
held up the
party होती है.
picture.
व्यक्ति से
Sunil
पहले-
Chopra, one minute.
व्यक्ति से
Sunil
ऊपर
Chopra,
दल से ऊपर
Sunil
पार्टी,
Chopra,
दल से ऊपर
I
देश.
can, no, one sec. First of all, your great love and
Ji.
support for
I
Rahul Gandhi
know,
apart.
Arnab,
I did not like it when you said to Gaurav, he showed a clipping which said that when 26/11 happened, Rahul Gandhi was partying till the early hours of the morning, and you said, and you call yourself a Marxist.
I didn't see
You
that.
said in India there are many
The
young
point is
people of the same
26/11.
class. 1 minute.
Who
You
was
said
it
that in
allowed
India there
by
will be many young people of the same class who would be
26/11?
partying. You said
Who
class
was
and
it
privilege.
allowed
You're a
by?
Marxist. You're a Marxist. You
The
talk about
attack
people
on
from the
Parliament.
same class and privilege
Who was it
partying when there's a
allowed
terrorist
by?
attack.
The Kargil entry.
You said
Who
that.
was it allowed by?
No, you
Pulwama.
said there will be
Who
people of
was it
class and
allowed
privilege will be
by? Who
partying
is
when there's a
responsible?
terrorist attack. You stand by that.
My point is, there is a terrorist attack, but you do damn all. What about Pulwama? They asked to be brought by air, but you didn't let them.
Sunit Chopra on
You
a
want
day.
to talk about Pulwama,
You
but
know
you don't
that,
want to
and
talk
I
about
know.
Balakot. You don't want to talk about surgical strike. You don't want to talk about Pulwama too, that was averted.
You
I
talk
know.
about what you want
You know,
to talk
it's-
about.
it's-
I'll
it's
talk
Now we are
China,
moving in a different direction.
China,
Gaurav Bhatia, I'll have to
China.
intervene because I'm short of time. And ladies and gentlemen, with a promise to come back tomorrow, sharp at 9 o'clock. Good night and goodbye.